I came in this morning just being really impressed with these two color customized Model S and Model Y. The Model Y looking beautiful with this awesome color that you can see online. You can choose any of the colors or send us a Pantone color, we'll match it. With this, with the pink fenders and chain guard, the MRK back rack that you can attach all those different accessories just with a clicking system. And the Model S here with these red rims, the wooden fenders, and chain guard with the 7-speed derailleur, which you can obviously add 7-speed to any one of our bikes, and with the back rack welded to the frame. These two bikes looking beautiful. Order yours online. Choose your color, choose your trim, choose all your seat colors, if you want baskets, rim colors, drivetrain options, and we will build your bike for you right here in California and ship it to you fully assembled. Beautiful.